If you have been searching for where to get quality Remi, virgin and raw hairs from in Vietnam, this video is for you. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you one of the wholesale hair factories in my vault that sells quality Remi, virgin and raw hairs in Vietnam. And if this sounds like what you've been searching for, you better stay and watch this video to the very end because this is me sharing with you a genuine hair factory in Vietnam. Hey you all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Kristyanah, a Nigerian-based YouTuber and entrepreneur. And on this channel, we do basically everything business and beauty-related videos. So if you're about making money, this channel is where you want to be. It's been a long time since I posted anything vendors related because I've been searching for a perfect brand that can serve you all in terms of any quality you intend to sell, be it Remi, virgin or raw hairs. Thanks to Lyn Hair for sponsoring today's video. I'll be testing their raw donor strands and Remi hair quality with you all. If you are interested in buying quality hairs from Vietnam, you want to stick around and watch me take these raw donor strands through the dye test, the bond test and also the spray test. If you haven't liked this video already, can you like this video just so that it can push this content to other amazing women who are looking forward to starting up their hair business and also to encourage me to post more of this kind of content. So go ahead and like, comment, and all those good stuff. Without further ado, guys, let's get right into today's video. I know most of you have been struggling to lay your hands on a very good hair supplier in Vietnam, and this is why I'm bringing this to you. Lyn Hair was kind enough to send me their Remi and raw hair quality, which means even if you intend to sell Remi hair, you're gonna see what the quality looks like right in this video today. So guys, this is how the package came. Okay, so I literally opened it a bit. I'm proud now just to see the quality, but now I'll be unveiling it to you all. This is it. So guys, this is their natural straight raw hair single donor from Lyn Hair. This right here is their Remi hair quality. Remi, Remi hair quality, and this is bone straight. So their Remi hair also come in bone straight. I want the camera to focus on this. Can you guys see it? So this right here is the Remi hair bone straight, and I don't know if you guys can feel the texture from the camera, but this is so silk. This is way too silk. For a very perfect view of it, I'll be putting a screen record of it here. I'll make a video separately and put it on this side for you guys to see the quality. Let's get right into testing these bundles. This right here is the raw hair quality of Lyn Hair. This script test shows if a hair is raw and unprocessed. You are supposed to get a white substance when it is done, which indicates that there is no chemical on the bundle at all. And as you can see right here, the substance that came out of this bundle is actually white, like so white. And that is what you're supposed to get if the hair is raw. Let's also check out the Remi hair bundle from Lyn Hair to see the difference. Here you go. The result from this is obviously brown. But when I scraped the raw hair bundle, I got a white substance, which indicates that this right here is actually a processed hair, while the raw hair is unprocessed, like so raw. And this is the first test we're going to be doing here today, which is the scrape test. So guys, kindly note that this scrape test only works on natural straight hair because even if they use a single donor hair material for your bone straight hair, so far it has been chemically processed. When you scrape it, you can never get a white substance, you can never get a white residue. So if you're getting a bone straight, just cancel that. It's not gonna work. But if it is natural straight hair like this, when you scrape it, you're supposed to get a white substance. Right now, we are going to carry out a dye test on both raw and Remi hair bundles from Lyn Hair. The raw hair is supposed to lift to color 613 in a uniform way, while the Remi hair is to lift to a lighter shade from its original black color. Right now, we're going to be using a 40% developer and the bleaching powder to carry out this test. This test right here is one of the most realistic way to know if your hair is actually a raw hair or a virgin hair. Because as a factory, you're going to explain to me why your raw hair is not lifting to 613, and this is why I usually go with every factory's best hair. There's no hiding place for bad hairs. Once you apply bleach, you're going to see the hair true color. And more also, I usually carry out this test on every raw hairs I buy from factories just to be sure that I am getting what I paid for. Here is the result after 40 minutes of processing. The raw hair lifts to 613 and the Remi hair lifts to a lighter brown color. Strands looks absolutely healthy, and this is before toning and shampooing and all those good stuff. The hair is a good hair. The final test on this hair today is the bond test, which shows if the hair is synthetic, human hair, or mixed hairs. If it burns into ashes, it shows it's a raw hair. If it melts, it indicates that the hair is a synthetic hair. And if it does both, that shows it's a mixed hair. Using the raw hair strands from Lyn hair to carry out this test, it shows that the hair actually burns into ashes 100%, and that indicates that it's 100% human hair. Having checked the quality of Lyn hair, Remi hair, and raw donor strands together, I believe you all can attest to the fact that the hair is so good, the quality is so great. I mean, look at the Remi hair. It's so silky. And let me also add that I'm not using ring lights. I actually made this video using natural light. You guys can see what the hair looks like without lights, without ring lights, without filter. This is natural, and you can see that the quality is so great. The quality is given. I can tell you for a fact that these hairs are of good quality. And more also, take a look at the closure. This is their raw hair closure. I hope you can see it. And I mean, this closure looks like what is gonna lay flat on anybody's hair. You can see the dimension is so good that if you put it on, it's gonna lay flatly on your head. Like it's gonna give the illusion it's supposed to give. So I think the closure is also perfect. And personally, I prefer to buy the best strands from factories. I mean, they are single donor hairs. But if your client base, if your customers don't have so much money to splurge on hairs, you can as well go for this Remi hair. It's of good quality. I mean, it is served them for some time. And more also, do not forget that when you buy 5 kg and above from Lyn Hair Vietnam, they're going to give you a huge discount. And you can visit their Instagram page as it is being displayed on the screen right now. Check out their Instagram page. Their direct WhatsApp contacts will be down in the description box of this video. Do well to check that out as well. Guys, don't forget to mention my name when you chat them up on WhatsApp or send them a direct message on Instagram mentioning Kristyanah. You're gonna get the best chance from them depending on the quality you order, be it the Remi, the virgin, or the raw hair quality. With that being said, we've come to the end of today's video. If you enjoy it, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Share this video to other amazing friends of yours that want to start the hair business, to check out this factory. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, you all.